Wow, this is nice type of fern, guys. It's a bird's nest fern and also called as Asplenium Nidus. This name research from Wikipedia online. Bird's nest fern is means nest of fledgling and is a plant that resembles a nest. It is a tropical epiphyte that can grow well in your home and is native to tropical southeastern Asia, eastern Australia, and Hawaii. And there are some characteristics: resembles banana leaves, forms a rosette that catches falling leaves and debris, creating its own compost pile. So really nice also to use for decoration in any occasion, guys.